Imagine building a succeeding project farming business without the constant headache of managing software and infrastructure. Well, today is your lucky day because I'm gonna help you out with this. Running a successful company depends on a few key factors: bringing talented resources on board and making use of the right tools. Large enterprises have the option of bringing in more resources on board to build successful products. When it comes to startups, it's the other way around, okay? Startups must find and make use of effective SaaS products to grow their business well. So today I'm excited to share with you the top software as a service platforms that every project farmer should consider. Whether you're new to project farming or have been in the game for a while, these platforms can truly revolutionize your business and take it to new heights. So let's dive right in, okay? For those who might be new to project farming, let's break it down real quick. Project farming is a business model where you act as a middleman, connecting clients with service providers. So you essentially fulfill the service for the client without directly handling the service yourself. So it's a fantastic way to build a business without the need for specific skills or an expertise in any service you offer. This not only allows you to focus on your core strengths in marketing and sales, but also enables you to scale your business quickly without the hassle of managing an entire team or investing heavily in an infrastructure. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly define what SaaS is. SaaS stands for software as a service and means that it's a cloud-based software distribution model. Okay, instead of buying and installing software on individual computers, users can access the software and its features through the internet. So think of it like subscribing to a service rather than purchasing a product. So you guys might be thinking, why are SaaS platforms crucial for project farmers? Well, every project farmer dreams of having the ultimate set of tools to simplify their operations, maximize efficiency, and deliver exceptional results for their clients. And that dream can become a reality with the help of the upcoming SaaS platforms. So let me share with you the numerous benefits these platforms offer. Okay, number one, you can have streamlined operations. One of the greatest advantages of using SaaS platforms for project farming is that they help you streamline your operations. Okay, you can manage your data with almost no effort. Number two is automation. Automation is key to freeing up valuable time so that you can focus on the growth and expansion of your business. Many SaaS platforms offer powerful automation features that help you create efficient workflows and automate repetitive tasks. Think about the hours you can save by automating invoicing, for example, task reminders, and other administrative tasks. So you can spend that time building relationships with clients or prospects and finding new opportunities for your business. Then number three is what is important is a robust integration. Today we are very interconnected in this world, and integration with other tools and systems is very important. And the following SaaS platforms easily work with the most popular software like other customer relationship management systems, payment gateways, email marketing tools, and much more. And these integrations allow you to have a complete view over your business and ensures that data flows across different platforms smoothly. So it's all about efficiency, scalability, and providing top-notch services to your clients. And SaaS platforms empower project farmers by offering a variety of tools and applications that make business operations more efficient for you, okay? Which makes it easier to manage and deliver your services without getting into the technical details. So thank you guys for still being with us. Now let's uncover some game-changing SaaS platforms for your project farming journey. So if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights. Your support fuels our drive to make better content for you. Now let's supercharge your project farming game with the following SaaS platforms, starting with SEMrush for a strong SEO base. Okay, SEMrush is a powerhouse when it comes to SEO. Okay, it's an all-in-one marketing toolkit which provides invaluable insights to help you dominate the search engine game. From thorough keyword research to tracking your competitors, SEMrush allows you to improve your project farming website's visibility. You can identify high-performing keywords, you can audit your site's health, and stay ahead in the digital race by leveraging the SEO force that SEMrush offers. Number 2 is Calendly or seamless appointment scheduling. Appointment scheduling is very important for your project farming business. And with Calendly, you can say goodbye to the hassle of coordinating schedules with book calls and all the other stuff you got going on. This is a user-friendly scheduling tool which simplifies the process of booking appointments with your clients or team members. You can set your availability preferences and share your personalized Calendly link, and thus you can let others effortlessly book a time slot with you. Now, Calendly not only saves time, but also ensures that you never miss an important meeting, which makes it a crucial asset for any project farmer who's aiming for efficiency and organization. Number 3 is MailChimp for email marketing. So this SaaS platform is a game changer for building and nurturing client relationships, okay? You can create visually appealing email campaigns, you can automate follow-ups and track the success of your efforts. MailChimp has an interface that is easy to use, and you have analytics that empower project farmers to stay engaged with their audience, okay? You can drive conversions and establish a strong online presence through strategic and effective email communication with your prospects and clients, okay? Number 4 is Airtable to master your data. With Airtable, you can organize and master your data effortlessly, okay? This is a flexible and collaborative SaaS platform which combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database. And you can tailor your tables to fit your project farming needs, whether it's project management, content planning, or client tracking. Airtable also provides a visually pleasing and easy to use environment for managing information or enhancing your data management capabilities and contributing to the overall efficiency of your project farming operations. Number 5 is Typeform for interactive surveys. Okay, it's very important that you understand your client's needs and that you regularly gather feedback. Okay, it's crucial. And with Typeform, you can make this process engaging and interactive. You can create beautifully designed surveys that feel more like a conversation than a questionnaire. And Typeform has a very user-friendly interface, which encourages a higher response rate, which allows you to gather valuable insights and improves your service and maintains a client-centric approach. Okay, with Typeform, you can elevate your understanding of your clients and refine your project farming strategies based on real-time feedback. So the list is not done with these SaaS products. This is just a small set of the most popular SaaS products used across different areas of the business. Each product has its own purpose that aims you to grow faster and scale higher. So if you have used any other awesome SaaS product, we'd love to hear your thoughts, okay? Feel free to drop them in a comment below. So now that you're aware of these amazing platforms, the question arises, how do you choose the right one for your project farming business? So here are a few factors to consider, okay? You gotta check what your specific needs are. First, identify your specific needs and requirements. You gotta understand the type of services you offer and the features you need in the platform. What's also very cool is free trials and demos, okay? Many of those platforms offer free trials or demos, so you can take advantage of these to explore the platform and see if it suits your business. Also check out reviews and testimonials, okay? Do your research, read reviews and testimonials from other businesses in your industry to get insights into the platform's performance and reliability. And then also, of course, evaluate the pricing structure and ensure it fits your budget. And then what we talked about before, check the integration capability, okay? It's essential to choose a platform that integrates well with your existing tools and systems. This will ensure a smooth transition for your operations. Now it's your turn to take action, okay? Research and explore these platforms to see which one aligns best with your goals, needs, and vision for your project farming business. Remember, these platforms can be game changers, simplifying your operations, increasing your efficiency, and ultimately helping you achieve more success. So thank you for watching today. By leveraging these tools, you're not just managing your business better, you're supercharging it. Project farming paired with the right SaaS platforms is a winning combination for efficiency, growth, and client satisfaction. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your favorite SaaS platforms in the comments below. Until next time, happy project farming.